Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve exercise questions of the topic fractions from your new countdown book 3. Are you excited? Yes. Then open your books of page number 100 and solve the given questions while watching the video. Let's read the first question. Take the shapes that are divided in half. What is half? Let's revise it. When a shape or collection is divided into two equal parts, it is called half or 1 by 2. By keeping the definition of half in your mind, take the shapes which are divided in half on your countdown book and match your answers with the given solution. Here are the shapes. Fun time. Do you like to color the shapes? Yes. Let's read the next question. Color one half of each shape. On your book you can see the shapes. Color the shapes and match your answers with the given solution. Like this. Draw a line to divide these collections in half. What does collection mean? Children, recall your memories. Okay, I will tell you. Collection means a group of things or a set of things. Here are the collections. In first collection, 10 triangles are given. Okay, what is the half of 10? Yes, 5. So you divide the triangles in two groups of 5 triangles. Now rest of the parts would be done by you and afterwards match your answers. Here are the collections. Take the shapes that have 1/4 shaded. What does quarter mean? What is the definition of quarter? When a shape or collection is divided into 4 equal parts, it is called quarter. Now take those shapes which are shaded 1 by 4 and match your answers with the solution. Here are the shapes. Page number 101. Question number 5. Let's read it. What fraction of the shape has been colored? 1 by 2 or 1 by 4? Write in the box. Here are two options. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 means that a shape is divided into two equal parts and one is colored. Whereas 1 by 4 means a shape is divided into 4 equal parts and one is colored. Now look at the shapes carefully and write the fraction according to the shape. And match your answers with the solution. Again fun time. Here in question number 6, fractions are written and you have to color the shape according to the given fraction. Again you have two options, 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. Now color the shapes and match your answers with my shapes. Here are the shapes. Like this. Question number 1 of page number 103. Let's read it. Draw lines to divide these collections into 1 by 4. What does 1 by 4 mean? 1 by 4 means a collection is divided into 4 equal parts. In first collection, there are 16 pencils. Count. Are they? Yes. And you have to divide them into 4 equal parts. Like this. Now you will do the rest of the parts and match your answers with the given solution. Here are the rest of the collections. Question number 1 of page number 104. Let's read it. Take the shape in which 3 by 4 of the figure has been colored. What does 3 by 4 mean? It means a shape is divided into 4 equal parts and out of 4, 3 parts are colored. Now tick those shapes which have been colored 3 by 4 and match your answers with the given solution like this. Shading time. Use your color pencils and shade 3 by 4 of each shape like this. Here comes. Now match your answers with the solution. Let's read question number 1 of page number 106. Look at the strips. For each strip, color one part and write 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, etc. in the circle. Look at the first strip. A whole strip is colored. It means we will write 1 by 1 in the given circle. Move on to the next strip. 1 by 2 is written in the circle. It means out of 2, 1 part is colored. Next 1 by 3. It means out of 3, 1 is colored. 1 by 4 means out of 4, 1 is colored. 1 by 5 means out of 5, 1 is colored. 1 by 6 means out of 6, 1 is colored. 1 by 7 means out of 7, 1 is colored. 1 by 8 means out of 8, 1 is colored. 1 by 9 means out of 9, 1 is colored. And 1 by 10 means out of 10, 1 is colored like this. Now match your answer with the solution. Look at question number 2 of page number 106. Let's read it. Each shape is divided in equal parts, but how many? Join each shape to the correct word in the list. You can see the shapes and words are given in the center. Let's match them. On your left side, you can see the first shape, that is circle, and it is divided into how many equal parts? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So match the circle with the word fifth. Like this. Similarly, in second shape, Triangle is divided into how many equal parts? Count with me. 1, 2 and 3. So match the triangle with the word thirds like this. Now rest of the parts would be done by you, and here is the solution. Step by step you have to match the word with the shape and match your answers. Here are the matching. Quarter means 4. Halves mean 2 equal parts. Eighths mean a shape is divided into 8 equal parts. What fraction of each shape is shaded? Write your answer in the circle. In part A, a shape is divided into 5 equal parts. How many parts are colored in green? 2. So the fraction is 2 by 5. Move on to B part. Here, a hexagon is divided into 6 equal parts. How many parts are colored in yellow? 3. So the fraction would be 3 by 6. Likewise, you have to solve all the parts and tally your answers with the solution. Read question number 2 of page number 107. Shade the given fractions. In part A, a triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts are colored like this. In B part, a semicircle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are colored like this. In C part, a rectangle is divided into 10 equal parts, and out of 10 equal parts, 9 parts are colored like this. Now rest of the parts would be done by you, and tally your answers with my answers. Here comes the D part. Now E part, and then F part. Well done. Let's read question number 1 of page number 108. Look at these sets, then write the fraction of each set that is colored. In part A, how many leaves are there? 9. How many leaves are colored in black? 2. So fraction is 2 by 9. In part B, how many total triangles are there? 8. How many triangles are colored in yellow? 4. So what would be the fraction? 4 by 8. Likewise, you have to solve all the parts and tally your answers with the solution. Let's read question number 2 of page number 108. Color the fraction of the set as indicated. In first set, there are 4 sparrows. And you have to color only 1 sparrow according to the fraction 1 by 4. In second part, fraction is 5 by 6. It means that there are 6 triangles and you have to color only 5 triangles. And in third set there are 8 stars and you have to color only 3 stars. Now match your answer with the solution. Before solving question number 1 of page number 109, let's recall that there are two numbers in fractions, the top number and the bottom number. Top number is called numerator, whereas the bottom number is called denominator. Let's read the question number 1. Look carefully at these fractions, then fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. In 3 by 4, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. So write 3 in front of numerator and 4 in front of denominator. Rest of the parts would be done by you and match your answers. Let's read question number 2 of page number 109. Write the fraction. One has been done for you. In part A, numerator equals to 2, whereas denominator is equals to 6. As we have learned that top number is called numerator, whereas bottom number is called denominator. So 2 by 6 is a fraction. In part B, numerator is equals to 1, whereas denominator is equals to 7. So what would be the fraction? 1 by 7. Likewise, you have to solve rest of the parts and match your answers with the solution. Now practice these questions on your rough register at home.